Let's head back to the track. World Championship Sprint Relay silver medalist Jonielle Smith is arguably in the form of her life. However, she remains without a kit sponsor. But the 30-year-old sprinter isn't letting that deter her from achieving her ambitions while remaining healthy. Denise Walters reports.
Already this season, Jonielle Smith has run 5 60-meter races, winning 4 and ending second in her season opener, where she posted a personal best 7.06 seconds behind Tia Clayton at the J3A Fuller Anderson meet in January. Now, less than a week ago, she defeated a stellar field, which included World Championship 100 meters silver medalist and MVP teammate Tina Clayton, to win the women's 60 meters at the Gibson-McCook Relays, recovering from a terrible start to post 7.07 seconds. Smith was besting Tina for the second time this season after defeating her and Tia at the indoor gala meet in Stockholm, Sweden in January. Of note, she ran a personal best 11.03 seconds in the semi-finals of the women's 100 meters at last year's national championships and finished 5th in the final. She then went on to anchor Jamaica's women's sprint relay team at the World Championships in Tokyo. But despite doing so well, Smith told TVJ Sports she's competing without a sponsor. However, the 2019 World Championship 100-meter finalist is not letting that get her down.
This is my 4th year actually at MVP, and the program is very hard. Each year is something new, but I think with confidence, trusting coach like 100% that I've never trusted like this before, trusting myself, trusting my body, everything is starting to work together very well. So it's just to continue to do the work in the background, enjoying myself, still unsponsored, but we're putting in the work and it's showing now.
And with the CAC Games and the Commonwealth Games set for this summer, Smith says her aim for now is to stay injury-free.
Honestly, taking it one day at a time. I can't pre-Commonwealth without looking at tomorrow. So the aim is to take it one day at a time, to be healthy, to be able to show up at the line, being the best Jonielle I can be, and then whatever happens, we just work with it and move on.
Meanwhile, the 2019 World Championship Sprint Relay gold medalist is also doing some relay work. This as she anchored a Jamaican team entered at the Gibson-McCook Relays, featuring Sharika Jackson, Jodine Williams and Tina, that clocked a record 42.92 seconds to win the institution's women's 4x100 meters.
Yes, I think that's the whole point of us running today, to get familiar with each other. It doesn't matter who is on the team, just to start getting familiar with the girls is something that we've never done before to this magnitude, and compliments to the coaches, Coach Francis and all of them putting it together. And the girls showed up and did what we were supposed to do.
Smith is a reigning NACAC 100 meters champion and the 2018 CAC Games 100 meters winner. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.